Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Today is August the 19th. We are in Fairburn, Georgia. This is a new client that reached out to me about 3 weeks ago. They closed on this house last Friday. And after doing some research, they found me. Now, again, I do give my clients options. Either they can start with pictures, videos, measurements. A lot of times, I'm gonna say about 30% of my jobs booked through pictures and measurements because I never came out here to do an in-home consultation. I build them a proposal based off that. Once I get here, if anything changes, I'll let them know. And it's usually the square footage. And a lot of times, guys, you'd be surprised. Sometimes they have less square footage. One time I did a proposal. The guy said it was 2,800 square feet. When I got there, I remeasured, it was 2,100 square feet. So it was 700 square feet less. And a lot of people appreciate that. So with that being said, I also had another consultation that I did 2 weeks ago that came in today. The husband called me to book. The wife did pay for an in-home consultation for me, but they had 3 other companies come out, and he said, Courtney, my wife just felt so comfortable with you, the way you explain things, your energy, and she really just liked you. So they ended up booking with me. So on this job, guys, this is one. This is an engineered floor. He said, Courtney, we almost did not buy this house because of the floors, and I'm gonna show you why. Because he said we had other companies come out and they was talking about $30,000 to $40,000 to replace this floor because it is an engineered floor. But after doing research, they found out that I can save the floor, and the allowance that they got from the homeowner at the closing was actually double than what we're doing the floors for. So they actually still save some money. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going. All right, guys, so we're about to come here and do these floors, and we're gonna be, look at this, guys. Look at these floors. All right, so this is about 1,500 square feet. We're doing a screen, recoat, UV cure, $4 a square foot. See all that residue on the floor. Also, too, he told me to go ahead and throw in the countertops since we here. Got a lot of residue on the countertops. Oh, something is leaking. T, check that out. There's something leaking.
That's that fridge. You know, when they turn it off.
Oh, okay. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Look at all that on these floors. You can really see those marks. And also in here, you got someone here disassembling this. They're gonna take this out, so we're also gonna be doing that room as well. Look at all that, guys. Look at all those marks. All right, guys, go ahead and get started.
They looked at that engineered wood and saw something old. We looked at it and saw something unfinished. Sometimes you don't replace it. Sometimes you bring it back. Truman! Walked in the room, light hitting every scar. Little scratches in the finish, but the beauty wasn't far. Engineer wood,
so you gotta know the game.
Can't attack it like everything,
'cause every floor ain't the same.
Screen it with precision,
Clean it like a surgeon.
no unnecessary sanding. Every move got a purpose. Dust come up, oh, old sheen gone. Fresh foundation, now we build on. Clean, coat, cure, that's it.
No noise, no wasting movement, just
Precision, look, looking different, and we ain't even finished.
oh, bring it back to life. You don't always gotta tear it down. Bring it back to life.
First coat down, let it breathe. Second coat, watch the flow receive. Then the UV come through like sunlight on command. Machine hit the finish and it's hardware stand. No overnight waiting, no 2-week situation. Furniture back same day, that's restoration with innovation. Engineered flow shining like it remembered who it was. Client looking down like, man, look what Truman does. Then we turn to the counters, quartz sitting dull underneath those kitchen lights. Clean it, work it, polish it right. Reflections start dancing, surface start talking. The countertop went from tired to somebody walking in the kitchen saying, damn, let's clean it.
Yeah, bring it back to life.
Floor and the countertops,
One house, one day, one transformation.
you ain't gotta tear it out.
When you know how to restore it.
Guys, that's gonna do it. My clients are so impressed, and so am I. As you guys saw at the beginning of this job, this floor was just filthy, nasty, full of residue, scuff marks, micro scratches everywhere. Almost made them decide not to close the house, but they got a good allowance for the floors after and he told me his wife found me on Instagram and he found me, and the husband found me on YouTube. So she found me on Instagram and then he found me on YouTube, and that's how they end up contacting me, realizing that from my videos, social media, that I could save the floors, which you see we did. So anyway, guys, floors came out great. Our day is done. We're gonna go and head back to Gwinnett tomorrow. 3 consultations. Everything looks great. See you in the next one.